Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a unique and beautiful embroidery technique known as Sashiko Embroidery. Just create with fabric and floss. Sashiko embroidery is a traditional Japanese technique that uses a running stitch to create intricate and symmetrical designs on fabric. The word Sashiko means little stabs, which refers to the small stitches used in the technique. Originally, Sashiko embroidery was used as a form of mending and reinforcing for clothing, in particular for workwear worn by farmers and fishermen. The strong, versatile stitches provide an extra durability to the fabric and helped to extend the life of the garments. Over time, the technique evolved into a decorative art form with intricate and orient patterns being used to create beautiful designs. Sashiko embroidery typically involves using a contrasting color of thread on a dark or indigo fabric, such as denim or cotton. The stitches are worked in a repeating pattern, creating a grid-like design that is both geometric and symmetrical. Some common patterns used in Sashiko embroidery include wave motifs, hemp leaves, and arrowheads. In addition to the decorative qualities, Sashiko embroidery is involved for its meditative and mindful qualities. The slow and repetitive stitching process can be calming and soothing, allowing the embroiderer to focus their attention and create a sense of flow and relaxation. Sashiko embroidery continues to be popular both in Japan and around the world. It is often used to create beautiful and unique pieces of clothing, home decor items, and accessories. To start with Sashiko embroidery, you will need some basic supplies, such as embroidery floss, a needle, and of course fabric. There are many different sources available online and in craft stores that can help you learn more about the technique and get started on your own Sashiko embroidery project. So if you would like to learn this technique, comment below and let me know. So that's all about Sashiko embroidery. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about this beautiful and unique embroidery technique. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until then, happy stitching, my friends.